Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the topic on k-nearest neighbors using that method of Hamming distance method. So already in the previous video, we have seen what is the k-nearest neighbor. So what are all the flow of method to find out the new input data or a classification class label using that distance calculation methods. So in the k-nearest neighbor, we have to find out the new class label based upon the nearest majority of nearest neighbors. Based upon the majority of nearest neighbors class, the new input is belongs. So in that k-nearest neighbor calculation, based upon the distance is the first step is we have to find out the distance from the new input to the already existing data points. So for that distance calculation, I said that we have the several method to calculate the distance between the data points. So the methods are Euclidean distance method and Manhattan distance method and Hamming distance method. So these distance methods are different classified based upon that input data. Suppose our input labels, the input data is belongs to that input data is two input data are in the categorical data means we are using that particular value. The two value is a numerical value. Suppose the input value, for example, input futures value is the numerical values means we are using the Euclidean distance method. Using the Euclidean distance calculations, we are going to find the distance. Suppose one categorical, one numerical value means we have to use the Manhattan distance method. So what is the formula for Manhattan distance means absolute value of new data point, difference between the new data point distance and existing data point distance. So suppose the two input values are the categorical data means we are using the Hamming distance methods. So now we will see how the new data point is classified using the Hamming distance method. So when we are using the Hamming distance, when our two label belongs to the categorical data, that is yes or no or true or false, in the மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா we are using that Hamming distance. So the Hamming distance with the k nearest neighbor is a technique specifically designed for that categorical data, while standard KNN typically uses a Euclidean distance, but in the our input value is that belongs to the categorical value means we are using that Hamming distance method. For example, consider you have a data set like this data set is belongs to the one shop data set. In the particular shop, for example, the shop prepared that pizza. So in the pizza mixing, they are using that pepper, ginger, chili and these things. They are going to mix that using the preparation of the pizza. For day one, for example, A, B, C, D, E means the 5 days they are using the different combinations of pepper, ginger and chili. So based upon that combinations, whether the people is like the particular pizza or not, this is the way they can predict the customers. For example, the day one, for example, the day A means their combination is the pepper, ginger and chili. They are adding the 3 things in the particular preparation of pizza. Suppose in day B, the pepper is added, ginger is not added and chili is not added. So what is that outcome? Next, in the third third day of, for example, the C, they are using the pepper is not added, but ginger and chili is added means. So what is the output? Next, D la vandu pathina, the pepper is not added, ginger is added, but chili is not added. So this is the combinations of 3 ingredients in the particular preparation of the pizza. So based upon that, they are predict whether the customer is like the particular pizza or not. So they are preparing that model. So after the model is prepared, they are going to predict the input. So in the Hamming distance method, for example, if true, the pepper is added means true, ginger is true and chili is true. Okay, they are comparing the new input. For example, the new input is the pepper false, ginger true and chili true means whether the person liked class label is false or true. That is going to be, we are going to predict. So, for example, if both are true means true and false means both are equal value. For example, both are true, both are false means the value is 0. Either one is for change means the value is 1. For example, now the new input la வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா in the first column they are comparing that pepper is true, but in our new input pepper is false, so the value of distance is 1. Next, in the ginger true and the new input also ginger true, so the value is 0. So both are 0, both are same means the value is 0, both are difference means the value is 1. So based upon that the distance is calculated. They are finally they are finding that whether the particular particular output is belongs to the true or false. This is the way. So they are calculating the distance. They find that distance. After that, they are ranking the distance, and finally, based upon the k value, they are going to predict the particular input is belongs to true or false. So in that data, the particular input it belongs to the true class. So this is the way that they are predicting the new class label using the Hamming distance method. Thank you.